Hello Shane, my name's Doug. I work at Yellowstone Country Motors. This is the 1999 Dodge 2500 diesel you're interested in. It does have a aftermarket CD player and control. That's what the dash looks like. It does have custom gauges. They're really sweet, they light up. I'll start it up for you later. It does have power windows, power locks, heated mirrors, and then you can also remote control your mirrors as well. Of course, four-wheel drive. Truck hasn't been detailed yet, but it's going to get there. You can set your mileage, trips, everything like that. Does have a really nice interior, console, beverage holders. Open this up. Ooh, computer reader. Back, it's pretty basic. Looks pretty nice. Show the outside. You can take that Steelers sign off there, but if you're a Steelers fan, that's all right. Nice wheels on it, name brand wheels. It's a pretty solid truck. Nice tires too. Turbo diesel. Looks like it might have the emissions off of it. That's what the engine is. Fog lights. Aftermarket bumper. Mud flaps. Bed liner. Spare tires in back. It's kind of a quick overview of the truck. Start it up here for you. Gauges are on now. They're bright green. It's a pretty solid truck. Well, if you have any questions, give me a call. Yellowstone Country Motors. I'll send you an email. All right, thanks, Shane.